Hello everyone, welcome back to Learn Forward from Hi Kids Feather Cap. In the last class, we have learned a beautiful rhyme. Do you all remember the rhyme? Do practice at home, okay? And in today's class, we will again learn a again beautiful rhyme, and that is about rain, rain. Are you all excited? Let's start the class. Okay, so can you see the picture here? In the picture, there is a boy named Johnny, okay? And rain is coming. Rain is coming. So, Johnny wants to go out for playing. But Johnny's mother said, no, you will not go out. Okay. जब बारिश आती है एंड आपको बाहर जाना होता है ना खेलने तो क्या होता है मम्मा क्या करती है मम्मा डांट देती है आपको नो बाहर नहीं जा रहे हैं बारिश में ऐसे ही होता है ना so like this only rain is coming here and Johnny wants to go out but his mother is saying no when the rain stops then only you will go out so Johnny is singing a rhyme and you all will sing a rhyme with Johnny. Will you do so? Okay, so let's start. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Never show your face again. Okay, now Johnny is saying that rain, rain, go away. Chale jao, okay? And come again another day. बाद में आ जाना. Little Johnny wants to play. Johnny को क्या करना है? Play करना है. That's why rain, rain, go away. And कहाँ चले जाओ? Go to Spain. Spain is a place that is very, very far away from here. Okay? So Johnny rain को Spain भेज रहा है. That is very, very far. And never show your face again. So, this is a rhyme about rain, rain. And we will now sing the rhyme one more time. Let's start. Rain, rain, go away. Come again another day. Little Johnny wants to play. Rain, rain, go to Spain. Never show your face again. Very good, class. Now clap for yourselves, everyone. Very good. Now, you will learn this rhyme at your home with your mama and promise me that you will not go out when it will rain. Okay? Don't play in the rain, otherwise you will get sick, right? You will get sick and then you won't be able to play at all. So, avoid going out in the rain. Okay? Very nice. Now, happy learning everyone. See you in the next class. Bye bye. Take care.